Hello all, Aaron here back with another beach detecting video. If you like beach detecting videos, why not think about subscribing? Let's dig. Hello all, Aaron here, and look, I'm back on the beach that was being hit by the waves last time I came down here. This was all getting stripped away. You can see on the wall, look, just there, you can just see where the line of shingle used to be, and it's all been stripped back by the high tides that we've had. It's like those rocks down there on the beach. They've not been seen for a long, long time. This beach, this sand, yeah, it's been buried for many, many years. There have been some detectorists down here this morning, so and probably have been in the week since I've been here, so I'm not sure what I'll find, but we'll give it a crack, won't we? We'll see what we can get. I'm out with the Simplex this morning. Give it a crack down here on the beach and we'll see how we get on. I shall see you at the first hole. Let's dig. First one out from the base of the sea wall. It's a bit of a spoon. Yeah, nothing gets too old, but there you go. It's nice. Down here, as you can see, look, you can see how much this has been buried. That there was the original line with the shingle. All that has been stripped away. Woo! Latest thing out. It's that. So there's something in there, look. Encased in all this nonsense, whatever that is. No idea. I'll have to see if I can break it all off and get to what's inside. I thought it was the other half of that spoon. Very odd, very odd. Let's carry on. Yeah, not much, just a bit of aluminium. Right, so that's the latest thing out of the scoop. It looks like it could be a plate off or something. I think I remember my dad having a square alarm clock that might have had something like this on the back. I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah, there are other detectorists here today, so pickings may be slim, but let's see how we go. Next thing out. Yeah, nothing special. I don't think it is. No. So just here, as you can see, there's part of the original sea wall. This tiny little wall here was the original sea defence. All the way down there. And as you can see, simply not adequate. But very old, the 1800s apparently, late 1800s that wall was built. And just behind, just over there, is the cafe, which is open in the summer and does quite well on this part of the beach, or at least what's left of it. But all this here, all this along here, this was all deep in pebbles, and as you can see, it's just gone. Absolutely been stripped right back. But this is where it's quite popular. This is where you would get most of the people. So this is where I'm going to concentrate, here in the next one. See if we can get anything. Just down here, I think I've got my first coin. Oh God, where's it gone? Right then. I'm going to have to get the pinpointer out, aren't I? Bugger. Yeah, just down here it was. I just spotted it. I thought I'll put the camera on. and I'll film myself extracting it. There it is. Yeah. Absolutely battered. Would you believe it? Look at that. See that design on there? That's a portcullis. You know what that means? It's bloody 1p. Yeah. Next one up. It's another bullet. Mike will be pleased with that. He likes his bullets, does Mike. And just next to it there's something else, but I'm not sure if I want to dig it or not. It's shooting up high, but at the same time I'm sure I can hear an iron grunt behind that. Alright, let's give it a dig, but I'm pretty sure there's an iron grunt there. Pretty sure of it. Says it's not too deep, which means it's probably something big, because I just did a little scoop and there's nothing there. There you go, see? It's now starting to cut out. Put it in all metal mode. See how that keeps shooting up to 99? Yeah. That is going to be big, rusty iron all day long. Right, I've come down to the rock pools from the top there. Come all the way down here, because there's quite a lot of it to go through. The tide will be back in soon. Got a little something down here. There we go. It's over there. Just kicked it out. It looks like the first pound coin of the day, or if you're a historical magpie, the first nugget. There we go. First nugget. Hey, we'll take that. Lovely. Shout out to historical magpie, by the way. So there we were, detecting. Then all of a sudden, I find this. Right. Somebody's been digging here. Okay, there's a hole there. That wasn't me. That was somebody else. But just next to it, I had a big signal. Decent signal. So it's from there to there. That's how big it is. And I've managed to get down to it. Keeps filling up with water, but it looks like an ordnance. It looks like something from World War II. Should we say bomb? Looks like a World War II bomb. What? I want to try and get it out, but I don't, if you know what I mean, because I've got, oh God. I just got visions of this thing blowing up in my face. I really have. But obviously I don't want to call out the bomb squad if it's not. Do you know what I mean? Because then I'll just end up looking like a tit. But there is something in this hole that is long, well, that long, and rusty. And I really have no idea what it is. And I don't know what to do. I really have no idea what to do with it. Yeah, it's a tricky one. What do I do? What do I do? Do I call it in? Do I not? Really have no idea. I don't know what to do. If it does turn out to be something and I've left it, yeah, it's not going to be good, is it? Alright. Just give him a bell. Hello. And I've dug up something in the sand that could be an ordnance, but again it could not. I'm a little bit too worried to dig up too much of it, just in case it is some sort of bomb, you know? Yes. Yes. A little bit dubious as to whether or not to continue to dig it, you see, because if it does turn out to be something like that. But then again, I was just dubious as to whether to phone it in, because I didn't want to waste anyone's time, that's the thing. Now, I'm waiting for the police to arrive, because I don't know what it is. I genuinely don't know what it is. I know where it is, and if they're not quick, then the tide is going to take it. I just hope I'm not wasting anybody's time. That's all. But the best thing to do is to get it dug up and get it removed if it is. Because if it is, obviously we don't want some kid to dig a sandcastle on it and end up spread all over the beach. Tide is coming in. If they don't hurry up, they're going to lose the opportunity to get it. Where are they? They are here. They have arrived. Let's see how this pans out. So, there we go. Something in that hole there, about the size of a thermos flask, a big thermos flask. But we can't get it out because the tide's coming in. There you go, police have been called. And I think we're going to lose it to the waves. So they've got the location. Yeah. And what, will they come out later today? Maybe later this evening?
I'll have a look, see what time low tide is.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll send us back out to try and get a photo of it.
Yeah, you might need to give it a little dig, because I think that hole, obviously that's going to fill in now.
Yeah.
Next low tide is going to be about 20 to midnight.
Oh, right, okay.
Today, yeah. Tomorrow the next low tide is going to be about 12:15. Okay. Lunchtime.
So it'll probably be tomorrow.
Tomorrow lunchtime, yeah. Yeah, I just didn't want to leave it just in case it was something.
No, yeah. Well, we had one 2 days ago. Well, 4 again on Elmer Beach, but it was just a shell of it. But
right.
Yeah, you better to be safe with these sort of things.
Yeah.
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 No, that's fine. So yeah, leave as is.
Yep, we'll do.
Tide will cover it. We know the location, and yeah.
I'll carry on over there then somewhere. Stay out of trouble. All right.
Yeah, don't come back.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Right. So the deal is, as you may have heard them say, they're coming back tomorrow. They've set the coordinates of where it is. They're going to come back tomorrow at low tide, dig it up, and if it is anything, get rid of it. And if it isn't, well, I'll make myself look like a tit. But never mind. Over here, as you can see, look, there's a farmer's field over there, right next to the beach here, and look, the farmer's field is washing away. Having a little swing in the ding, What is that? Spotted here on the floor. Something off a bit of furniture, maybe? It's very nice, isn't it? So did something go through there, like a little handle? Or some drawers, or... I don't see any markings on the back for like brooch, as it were. But yeah, that's still quite nice, isn't it? What do you think it is? If you think it's some sort of brooch or something like that, let me know down in the comments. If you think it's just a furniture fitting, again, let me know. Very nice. Whoop. Headphones are falling off. There we go. Right. In all metal. Let's pop it over to field. There we go. Just doing along this cutaway here, look. So that anything that was up at the top, sitting on the stones, will have been washed down. And this is where some of the stuff is stopping. You would imagine. Got it. Let's have a look what it is. Hey, 20p. Lovely stuff. Whoa. Double bubble. 20 and a 50. Cracking. Well, that's nearly it from me. Didn't really find as much as I thought I would. I was hoping that back there where the beach was all stripped that I was going to really, find a jackpot, some really old stuff that had been buried there well before all the pebbles were put in place. But unfortunately, that was a week ago when that all stripped out, and I think I'm just too late. There were already detectorists when I turned up here today, so God knows how many have been hitting it throughout the week. Yeah, shame that. This beach is very busy. It's very busy with rubbish. A lot of iron, a lot of rubbish, a lot of crap, a lot of deep iron, a lot of 99 tones. The odd bomb, possibly. Hey, quick shout out to Grim. I did find enough though for a loaf of bread and maybe some milk. Get in. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do about the bomb tomorrow. Do I come back and watch them digging it out because I know when they're coming back, or do I not? I'm unsure. If I do come back and film them, if I'm allowed to come back and film them, that is, I'll tag it on the end of this video. If it's not on the end of this video, then obviously they didn't let me film it. Now, if you are headed out, good luck, happy hunting, and I shall see you again next time. Like I say, there might be some more on the end of this. There might not. Right, well, I'm here. As you can see, there's no crater, nothing's been dug yet. So we'll have to wait and see if they do turn up. And if they do, we're here and we're ready.
1 hour later.
Well, there you go, it's now 12:15 and there's a no-show. It's now officially low tide. It's still there. I don't think anybody's coming out to inspect it, which is fair enough, I suppose, if they don't think it's anything to worry about. Now, if you're interested in the Simplex, why not consider clicking on that video up there? Or if you like to have a look at how I got on with the Makro Kruzer, maybe try the one at the bottom there. And I shall see you over there.